Rhinoceros, commonly known as Rhino, is a highly versatile and powerful 3D modeling software that has become a staple in various industries, from architecture and industrial design to jewelry and automotive design. One of Rhino's most notable strengths is its ability to handle complex and detailed freeform surfaces with precision, thanks to its robust NURBS, non-uniform rational B-splines modeling capabilities. This makes it an excellent tool for creating intricate and organic shapes that are difficult to achieve with traditional CAD software. Rhino's user interface is both intuitive and highly customizable, allowing users to tailor their workspace to fit their specific needs and workflows. The software supports a wide range of file formats, making it highly interoperable with other design and engineering applications, which is crucial for multidisciplinary projects. Another significant advantage of Rhino is its extensibility through plugins. Grasshopper, a visual programming language integrated with Rhino, has revolutionized parametric design, enabling users to create complex algorithms that generate sophisticated forms and automate repetitive tasks. This makes Rhino not just a modeling tool, but a powerful platform for computational design. Additionally, the active development and frequent updates ensure that Rhino stays at the cutting edge of technology, incorporating new features and improvements that enhance its functionality and performance. The Rhino community is robust and vibrant, offering a wealth of resources, tutorials, and forums where users can share knowledge and seek support. Furthermore, Rhino's affordability, compared to other high-end 3D modeling software, makes it an attractive option for both professionals and students. In summary, Rhinoceros is a comprehensive and adaptable 3D modeling solution that excels in precision and versatility. Its combination of advanced modeling capabilities, strong interoperability, and a supportive community makes it an indispensable tool for designers and engineers looking to push the boundaries of their creativity and technical skills.